A few nights ago, I was sitting at a dinner with a few of my friends who, well, I haven't seen in ages because of the pandemic, and it was just a delightful evening. And later in the conversation, they asked me what I've been up to and what I've got going on. And I started telling them about my upcoming course on July 14th, which is Intro to Organizing Through Adult ADHD. And as I started talking about what it was about, what people can get out of the course, the benefits, and they were peppering me with more and more questions, I thought, you know what? You might want some of this information as well. And so I decided to put together this video with the key points, the top 3 key points that I'd love to share with people. Now, granted, I give a lot more information in the course. We go into more in depth on each of the topics, and I do introduce several more. But these are 3 that I thought I could explain to someone very quickly, get the point across, and they're so helpful for anyone who is dealing with the obstacles of the gifts of ADHD. Now, the first one is someone with ADHD will either tend to get completely stuck when encountering a task. They may not even know what they should be doing at any given time, but when they know what they should do, it's really hard to start taking the first steps to get it done, especially because a project, no matter how big, no small or small, can feel super big, especially to a brain that is prone to spinning wildly. So my recommendation and my first tip to you is baby steps. And if you have seen any of my blogs, any of my practical tips, this is a theme that comes up so often. We need to gently step into each activity so that we can wrap our brains around what it is that we need to do and how we do it. Take baby steps, break it down into the most basic step possible. And for instance, if you don't even know what the first step is, think about what it is that you want to accomplish. So for instance, if it is, you know what, my refrigerator is empty. Well, what are the things that I need to do to fill that refrigerator? And the first thing might be, I need to go to the grocery store. Okay, so what then do I need to do to go to the grocery store? Well, might make sense to grab my list. If I don't have a list already made, then maybe I need to start looking through my refrigerator, through my freezer, through my pantry. What ingredients, particularly basic ingredients that I use all the time, do I need? Take a look at your bathroom and linen closets. Do you need extra toilet paper? Do you need extra tissues? Jot those down. Take your list, put it in your pocket, put it in your purse, wherever that needs to go. What else do I need to do before I get into my car? Well, I'm going to need my purse or my wallet or whatever it is that I'm going to pay for the groceries with, or before I even get on the phone and call Instacart, or if I get on my computer to log into Instacart, what is it that I need? I need my list. I need my keys if I'm going to go in the car. I need my purse. I need my wallet. I need my credit cards. These are all the things that you can start breaking it down to go, okay, moving step by step to get to my ultimate goal. But if we look at it in terms of the macro instead of the micro, oh, I need groceries. That gives the brain a chance to go into a wild spin. It can freak you out, it can stop you cold, and it may take a few minutes, a few hours, or even part of the day to recover from a meltdown. That's the first tip that I have that you will find out more details about in Intro to Organizing Through Adult ADHD. All the details are here. And my next video will go into the next topic that is often encountered by adults with ADHD and some just really simple tips to overcome that. I hope you'll join me. And if you need any more information, you can find out all about me, Sherry Curley, at thepracticalsort.com. Again, it's thepracticalsort.com, and /speaking, you will find the details and the registration information for Intro to Organizing Through Adult ADHD. I hope to see you there. Thanks so much, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.